A few of the finished roulades. Looking really, really good. The zucchini for this recipe will be cut into some long strips. First, I'm going to cut it in half. Tomatoes are just going to be cut into wedge like this. And then I'm going to proceed to roll this baby up. Okay. Hot pan. Continue cooking the roulades until brown. Dutch oven. Touch of olive oil. Garlic. And the remaining vegetables. Roulades go in. At this point, we're adding some parsley. Okay. Oh yeah. As well as a very expensive micro beer. Yeah, this is going to be good. Here goes in. Oh yeah. I'm going to cover this. Bake in the oven, 350, approximately 1 hour. Oh yes. And we deglaze the first pan with the rest of the beer. Right over the top. Oh, what do you think? The finished roulades looking really, really good. The finished roulades right here. Just going to be serving a few like this as an appetizer. With a little bit of the reduction glaze there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.